In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use API triggers in Relevance AI. By the end, you'll know how to expose a tool as an endpoint, so other apps and services can call it programmatically. Start by logging in to your Relevance AI workspace. Make sure you're in the right project, ideally one where you have permission to build and test automations. If you're new, it helps to pick a dedicated sandbox project so you can experiment safely. Once you're in, head to the integrations area. This is the hub where you manage connections and how your tools talk to the outside world. Think of it as the bridge between Relevance AI and the rest of your stack. If you don't see it right away, look for it in the main navigation. Next, click on Tools. Tools are the building blocks of your automations. Each tool is a workflow you can run inside Relevance AI or trigger from other systems. If you're starting from scratch, select Create Your First Tool. Give your tool a clear, descriptive name and a short purpose note so you and your teammates know what it does at a glance. Good naming now saves confusion later. When prompted, choose the default option. This gives you a clean starting template without extra components, which is perfect for demonstrating an API trigger. You'll land in the builder where you can add and arrange steps. Select Add Step. Steps are the actions your tool will perform in order. For our purpose, you're going to add the API step. Click on API to insert it into your flow. This step is what allows your tool to receive a request from an external system, parse the payload, and use the data inside the workflow. Now enable the API trigger. This toggle exposes your tool as an endpoint. As soon as it's on, Relevance AI will generate an endpoint URL and define how requests should be sent. Take a moment to review the expected input fields and any authentication requirements. If your tool relies on input variables, make sure those are clearly labeled so callers know exactly what to send. Finally, click Run Tool to test that everything wires up correctly. Running it here helps you confirm the tool executes, see logs, and preview the response your callers will receive. If the run completes as expected, your API trigger is ready to be integrated from other systems. That's it. You logged in, navigated to integrations, opened tools, created a tool with the default template, added an API step, enabled the API trigger, and ran the tool. Keep your endpoint details secure, document the inputs and outputs, and you'll have a reliable trigger you can reuse across your workflows.